it turned out really good. So, not looking at the camera. That's good. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this Jillian versus camping. Oh my God, Jillian versus camping pit. I gotta stop saying that. My name is Jillian, and this is Jillian Camps Arizona, and I forgot to do the intro, so here it is. We're doing the intro as part of the outro. As you can see, it's already assembled, but today we're going to be doing an unboxing video of this, I don't even know what it's called. Hold on one sec. So this is called the Best Choice Products Pro Bicycle Adjustable Repair Stand. Whew, that's a mouthful. Anyways, as you can see, we've already put it together. I just thought I'd do a quick unboxing. We're going to talk about some of the features of this bicycle mechanic stand. I actually just bought this back in August. Anyways, I guess you can use it as a bicycle rack, but I'm just going to be using it as a mechanic stand for my bicycle, so that's what I plan on using it for. This is kind of everything that it comes with. It looks like I may need to go inside and get a couple of tools to put this together, but we're gonna see how well this turns out. So it comes with a little tray, it looks like, for your bicycle tools here. Here's some nuts and bolts and whatnot. Now it does come with the assembly instructions. There were people complaining that it did not come with assembly instructions, but it looks like it does, see? Here's some nuts and bolts for that. So here's like one of the stand pieces, it looks like. Another stand piece. This is the main piece, covered in bubble wrap. This is like the main clip, and it looks like it comes kind of all it's all done already for me, so I don't really have to assemble anything. Okay. So I bought this because it said that it can handle up to 60 pounds, and the bike is pretty heavy, so I bought this with the intention of using it for my old bike that you've seen in other videos. I'll probably still record though, just not using the bike stand. That way, because nobody really has a bike stand, right? So here are all the pieces. Okay, so now I think we're gonna just try and assemble it. Doesn't look too difficult. Let's see here. It says set the stand and assemble base A. Base A attached. So this is the base, apparently. Do not see the measurements. Okay, set the stand and assemble the base A. Okay. So it's got 4 holes. Okay, that's right. Looks like there's a pole that goes through it. Oh boy, which is which? This is the real question here. Cool. Oh, this is fun. I wonder if it goes like this. Like this? Like this? Like this? I think I'm gonna adjust the camera. Hold on one sec. So you can kind of see how I've laid everything out here, and now let's just try to assemble it really quick. So I think this is the base. I can't tell. And then which piece is which? Can you see that? I mean, really, how am I supposed to figure this out? Set the stand and assemble base A. Make sure the item is placed on a solid and stable surface. Okay. And then this clip goes to this larger piece here. Okay, so this is goes like that. Okay, that goes like that. These are the legs. So it does, it gives you an extra foot to attach to the long bar. Okay. But see, it looks like, according to this diagram, it looks like one of them is going to be longer, but actually they're all the same. Okay. And I think they give you a tool too to use. There we go. to the description, it says that it can hold up to 66 pounds. It's a heavy-duty clamp, and you can kind of see that here, which has a 360 degree. It can be rotated up to 360 degrees. Well, let's go see. Hang on, I need scissors. All right, I got scissors. Let's see. Take out the bubble wrap. It's kind of a nice stand. The legs stick out pretty far, and I wonder if we're supposed to rotate it this way, actually. Yeah, there we go. That looks better. So, according to this, you're supposed to be able to rotate it 360 degrees. I don't even know. Let's see here. Oh, I see. Oh, yeah, it does. So it's got like a little clamp here in the middle. I don't know if you could see that. Yeah. Where, like, if you pull it down, it like locks it in place so that it can't move. And it's got a whole bunch of teeth to hold it in place there. But when you lift it up like this, it creates a little space so you can rotate it around. I like it. It's very nice. And then it's just got a typical clamp here, so you can just put your bike in here and then clamp it on, and then it should stay up pretty good. It seems pretty sturdy. It looks like if you put weight on it, it looks like it's not going to tilt forward because the legs are splayed out here pretty good. So that's really good. And I think it's supposed to be like this towards the longer legs, because the back leg is pretty small and it looks like it could just tip over easily. So I guess that is a true feature. It says it goes in 360 degrees. It fits all standard frames from 1 inch to 2.5 inches. And it does look like, you can see that the gap here is really big. So, and it looks like it's adjustable too. So if your bike is smaller, you can adjust it down. Or if it's larger, you can open up, widen the gap, and it's spring loaded. So that seems pretty good. And the base width is 40 inches, and that seems about right. It's a large base, so I'll definitely have to be careful when using it not to trip over the base itself. But it's really nice. I like the fact that this is adjustable, because women's bikes have a slanted bar, you know, for biking. So I'm really glad that this is adjustable, so I can adjust it to fit a women's bike, and that way the bike can be flat across instead of kind of tilted up and down, you know. So I really like that. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this Jillian Camps Arizona video. We just did a quick unboxing of this Bicycle Mechanics stand. I can't wait to get around using this. So thank you so much for watching. Feel free to give this video a thumbs up if you like it and you want to see more like it. And if you're not currently following me and you want to follow me around, feel free to subscribe to either my YouTube channel or like my Facebook page. That's at Jillian Camps Arizona. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.